Today, let's take a look at Korean stock CowinTech, ticker code 282880. This company provides the total solution of logistics, automatic logistics system and the solution for secondary battery manufacturing companies. CowinTech. Current market trend, we are going into electric vehicle all around the world. Gigafactories are being built. CowinTech is one of the machinery suppliers. As you can see in this chart, 2020, 2021, 2022, the year YOY growth of monthly electric vehicle sales going very high. It's showing more than 38 to 80, 100% increasing every month. Therefore, we need to pay attention to the machine suppliers first. CowinTech is one of them. And the CowinTech financials and the long-term chart. As you can see, current quarter earnings relatively good. And they are making money. And the stock price didn't hit the unreasonable all-time high peak before at all. In Korea, we call this kind of stock as virgin. And this time, if CowinTech finishing the time and the price correction well, not falling below the bottom supporting line, number one, what will happen? If this goes this way and enough consolidation, and then with the increasing earnings and the earnings, their stock price can surge up to the due level. We are expecting that. There are good news as well. Increased order backlog and consequently hiring more employees to handle the increasing orders. The order backlog status last year, it was about $70 million US dollars, but currently it nearly doubled. US dollar based $157 million, expecting US dollar based $200 million at the end of this year. And the regular employees, they are keep hiring more and more. So recent quarterly number of employees increasing from 165 all the way up to 206 for now. One good news is top material. CowinTech subsidiary company Top Materials IPO already passed the criteria and making a debut on October 18th. So overall market trend for increasing EV sales and the gigafactory all over the world, that situation is making CowinTech more attractive. And this time, they are still virgin stock and more room for price increase. Let's see. If there is more information, I will share. Thank you.